Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create faceless YouTube video using InVideo AI and DeepSeek. It's completely free for joining and using. So first of all, I'm going on DeepSeek, then I can write here video idea, then click on enter. Then this DeepSeek AI give me lots of faceless YouTube video idea, top 10 facts about the topic, and as ASMR sound and how to tutorial, so relaxing music and lofi beats. So this is not good. Motivational speech, okay, this is good, and inspirational. Then I just copy, then again here and write 10 YT video title. Okay, this is good. Then I copy on okay, this one, then going on InVideo AI, then click on create a video, then make again click on make explainer video. So this link I already check my video description. Then you need to select your video duration. I select 5 minutes, then platform YouTuber good, then paste my title, then add relevant informations. Okay, this is good. I select only stock media because this is a free account. When you have a paid account, you can select only generate clips. Okay, then background music, so I write here motivational. Okay, that's good. Then voice actors, I want to charge the female voice, then voice actors, New York, SN, Californian, and then young British voice. Okay, this is good. Then click on continue. Then again click on generate video. You need to wait few seconds for the processing data. It's less than 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Okay, now select general people, young adult, professional. Okay, I select general people, inspirational, YouTube. Okay, everything good. Then click on continue. Then again you need to wait few seconds for the final creation video. Oh, my video are ready for download. So if you have found everything are good, you want to interest or download, just click on download button. But if you have found any mistake here, this is edit button. You can edit everything and anything here. Example purpose, if you want to change this image, just click on replace. You are able to replace by any image, music, script, setting. You are able to changes everything. Here are, you can see here are the script. You are able to change this one. So if you have found everything good, this video ready for download, then click on download button. Then this is a two type of download. So if you have a paid account, select no watermark, but this is a free account, so I select stock watermark. Then again click on normal, branding, then 180 pixel are good. Then click on download. My video are already starting download here. So this is a method how you can create faceless YouTube video using DeepSeek and InVideo AI. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.
Have you got big dreams? We all do. Whether it's climbing a mountain, starting a business, or simply becoming the best version of yourself, dreams are what keep us moving forward. Sometimes those dreams feel impossible, right? Like climbing a mountain. The sheer size of the task can be overwhelming, making us feel small and unsure of where to start. But don't worry, the secret is simple, small steps. It's like magic. Each small step you take brings you closer to your goal, even if it doesn't feel like it at the moment. One step at a time, you can achieve anything. Think about it. Every great journey begins with a single step, and each step you take builds momentum. You don't climb a mountain in one leap. It's the consistent small efforts that add up over time. You take it one step at a time. And guess what? Each step, no matter how small, is progress. Before you know it, you're at the top, looking down at how far you've come.